Welcome back. Today you guys are gonna be cooking with me. It's nothing special. I cook every single day, so this is like an everyday, any day meal for us. It's gonna be something quick. I just wanted to show you guys what dinner looks like with us in a day. It's not every day we eat the exact same thing. Yes, babe?
Today we have mac and cheese. I never had mac and cheese at this house before. Only at Grandma's house.
Okay, I'll make you some mac and cheese.
I already know what it is.
So Liam has requested a mac and cheese. I kind of already have an idea of what I want to make. I already took some salmon out this morning to thaw out, so I'm gonna be making like a butter garlic salmon with some roasted potato. Either have green beans or French beans. I'll check right now in my fridge. But Liam just requested mac and cheese, so I'm gonna be making that as well. And you just got home. Hi. I was recording.
We doing a little home sex video?
No. So anywho, I'm gonna start out with the potatoes because that is what takes longer. We're gonna cook. It's a cook with me today. Okay, I'm only gonna be using 3 potatoes because only Anja and I eat these. The kids don't like these types of potatoes. They prefer French fries. I'm not making French fries today. Okay, so I changed my mind. Instead of making the green beans, I'm gonna make steamed broccoli because the kids do eat these. And I try to get them to eat vegetables as much as I can, which is not many of them, unfortunately, but broccolis is gonna do the trick for today. I bought this little thing on Amazon. It's so convenient. It adjusts this to the size of your pot. So as big as it is, let's say you have a little one like this and you want to put your vegetables in here. This thing that expands. So what I do is I shouldn't do it with the knife, but I put the fork in here and then I just lift it once it's ready. But it adjusts this to whichever size pot you may have. So this is where I'm going to be putting my broccoli. So I have this water over here that's gonna boil. I'm just gonna put this right in and I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on top to give it some flavor. Okay, so the water is boiling now. I'm gonna make this mac and cheese for the kids because it's the easiest to make and this is what they like. And they're the only ones that are gonna be eating these, so. There you go. So I already washed my salmon both sides real good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pat dry it. And then I'm gonna do that for both sides. To season it, I'm just gonna use some salt. We're gonna add pepper. Garlic powder, and I'm also going to be adding minced garlic to this. so now I have the salmon cut into the pieces that I wanted to, and I'm gonna put my frying pan with some butter to sizzle. Babe, you see them? Okay, so the broccoli is ready, and this is what I mean. I just grab the fork, put it through here, and I lift it. And it's literally so easy. I'm just gonna place this in a counter to cool off, and I'm done with this. I'm gonna add my butter, and I'm gonna add like a big or somewhat decent spoon of it. The more butter, the better. Okay, so I have my salmon cooking up here. My noodles are ready, so I'm about to drain them and mix them with a little cheese packet that it comes with. And my potatoes are still cooking, looking good. So, okay, it's been about 5 minutes and I'm about to flip them over now. Mac and cheese is ready. You guys see how crispy the skin looks? That's how I like it. That's how we want it to look. And same way with the other side. I'll show you guys how it ends up. In the meantime, look at what Liam made. Who is that, Liam?
Daddy, we surprised him on his birthday. There's a balloon, there's a present.
I love it. What about the other one? Who's that?
That's mommy, that's me, that's grandma.
Oh, I love it. You're such an artist. I love it, babe. And what is that, the balloon?
What? Yeah, this is the balloon.
Oh, okay.
The string is kind of little big because none of the other ones are lined this kind.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh, all right, babe. I love it. Diana was having some broccoli. Salmon is ready. This is how I like the skin to look. Really crispy. This is how we all like it, actually. And I have the rest of the salmon over here cooking. Mac and cheese is ready. And potatoes are almost ready as well. The kids are now eating. How's the food, Liam? You like it, Mama? Yeah? I love it. Yummy. She's loving it. Do you love it, Liam? Yeah? Your plate looks delicious.
The mac and cheese is the best.
So out of all of this, your favorite one is the mac and cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
You make the best mac and cheese.
Oh, thank you, babe. Why you say thank you? I made it.
Where's the food?
I got proof. It's recorded. My potatoes are ready now and they're looking delicious.
That's right. Mommy.
Try it, babe.
No,
Mommy.
no salt, man.
No, just blow it because it's really hot.
You gotta burn it.
Blow it.
Mommy.
It's hot, but how are they? Good? Okay. Food is ready and looking delicious. How is it, babe?
Really good.
Really good. How is it, babe?
Good.
Good? Ayana, how's the food? Good? Yeah, real good, huh? And there you have it. Salmon, roasted potatoes, and broccoli. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. She said bye.